The way of honey starfruit cultivation for beginners to get fruitful fast in the home yard. Starfruit is known as Avero carambola, or in English called starfruit, is one of the fruit plants that have a distinctive shape. This plant comes from Sri Lanka, India and Indonesia. But now the distribution has been very wide, almost in all corners of the world. Starfruit is one tropical fruit plant. Starfruit tree has a height of about 5 meters with many branches. The leaves are compound and have a length of about 50 centimeters. The flowers on the starfruit plant have a pink color. The fruit in starfruit plants contains a lot of water, has a greenish color and some are yellow. If the fruit is cut, it will show a cross-section like a star shape. The taste of the fruit is sweet with a little acid. Seeds in black or brown fruit. Starfruit scientific classification. Kingdom, Platy. Division, Magoliophyta. Class, Magoliosidae. Order, Arcsalidales. Family, Arcsalidaceae. Genus, Avero. Species, Avero carambola. Starfruit has various benefits including treating cough in children, can treat thrush and bleeding gums, can overcome tie versicolor and acne and so on. One type of starfruit that is widely favored is the type of starfruit honey. In Indonesia, the center of honey starfruit cultivation is in Demak, Central Java. Honey starfruit has a large fruit size and the taste is relatively sweet, so it is not surprising that this type of starfruit is much loved. Here's how honey starfruit cultivation for beginners to get fruitful quickly in full home yard. 1. Terms of growing honey starfruit. Honey starch plants can be planted both in the lowlands to an altitude of about 500 meters above sea level. The location that will be used to cultivate starfruit honey must have low rainfall, because high rainfall will make flower plants easily fall. Being in an open place with sufficient irradiatio that has a minimum light intensity of 45 to 50%, has the most ideal temperature and humidity of 7.5 wet months and 4.5 dry months. Land that is good for honey starfruit cultivation is loose soil, fertile and rich in organic matter, has good drainage and aeration, has a degree of soil acidity ranging from 5.5 to 7.5. The water content in the soil has a depth of 50 to 200 meters below ground level. 2. Preparation of honey starfruit seeds. Propagation of honey starfruit seeds can be done through grafting and implants. If you do not want to be complicated, seeds can be obtained by buying grafting seeds or grafts in a seed shop. Choose superior seeds with characteristics, including a high starfruit honey seeds reach 50 to 100 centimeters. B. Seeds have a clear origin and are truly honey starfruit. C. Healthy and not affected by pests and diseases. D. The plant is intact and not in a defective condition. E. Shiny green leaves and brown stems. F. Plant roots don't come out of polybags. 3. Preparation of honey starfruit farming. Clean the planting area of weeds or other disturbing plants, then lose the location of the planting area by embedding it. Next, make a planting hole measuring 50 times 50 times 50 meters and between planting holes a distance of 50 centimeters to 1 meter depending on the area of land. Then put organic fertilizer as much as 5 kilograms per hole. Leave the planting hole for a week. 4. Planting of starfruit honey seeds to planted land. After everything is ready, immediately do the planting. Before planting, the seeds should be watered and carefully remove the seed polybags so that the planting media and roots are not damaged. Plant the seedlings into the planting hole in an upright position and in the center of the hole, and then back up with the earth and dig a little dents. After the planting is complete, give the marker and tie it with the seedling stems so that the seeds will not fall easily. 5. Honey starfruit treatment. Do watering at least once a day at the beginning of planting, and if the plant is mature, watering can be done at least once a week or can be adjusted to the conditions of the land and weather. Initial fertilization is done when the plant is 3 months after planting. Fertilization is done by using NPK fertilizer with the dose given to each plant, that is 100 grams of urea, 10 grams of SP36 and 10 grams of KCl for plants that are 1 year old. When the plant enters the age of 2 years, the fertilizer dosage is increased to 15 grams of urea, 10 grams of SP-36 and 15 grams of KCl. In the 3rd and 4th year, the fertilizer dosage also increases by 50 grams per year. After passing the 4th year and above the 5th year, the dose of administration is slightly reduced to 75 grams of urea and 150 grams of SP-36, and the administration is done by stocking at a distance of 10 to 100 meters from the stem. Do weeding on weeds or other disturbing plants that grow around honey starfruit regularly, every 1 to 2 weeks. After the starfruit tree is fruitful, do thinning the fruit by leaving a minimum of 3 to 4 pieces in one bunch. 6. Honey starfruit harvesting. The first harvesting of honey starch begins when the plant enters the age of 4 to 5 years, and also depends on the variety and the condition of the area and the land where it is planted. Harvesting can also be done on days 65 to 90 days after the plant's flower and bloom, or also 35 to 60 days after fruit packing. The characteristic of honey starfruit that is ready to be harvested is the fruit that has the maximum size and has a yellowish color. Such is the discussion about the way of honey starfruit cultivation for beginners to get fruitful in the home yard. Hopefully it can be useful, and follow our next post every 6 p.m. every day. See you later on our video, and thank you.